One of the many components of the coffee machine was the printed circuit board, the PCB. One part of the supply chain for the PCB started with the mining company that mined copper ore out of the ground. A copper extraction company then extracted copper from the ore and molded it into large blocks of copper called ingots. These ingots were then transported to a copper wire factory, where they were formed into copper wire, using a process called extrusion. The copper wire was then transported to the PCB manufacturing company, where it joined many other parts, called subcomponents. Those were embedded onto PCBs in a manufacturing process. The PCBs were then transported to the company that made the coffee machine, called the finished goods manufacturer, where they joined hundreds of other parts, called components, that were fitted onto the coffee machines in a manufacturing process called final assembly. These coffee machines were then transported to warehouses around the world, from where they were shipped to individual retailers by companies called distributors to be sold to end customers, such as yourself,